Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to add subtitles on your video by Capcut application on iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just open the Capcut application. You can choose the video that you want to add the captions or the subtitles to by create the new project. But today I want to use my previous project here that I already prepared to you guys. So here I already have the video. Let's take a look first. In school, I was training several organizations, one of them called okay, you can see that there is someone who talking in English in this video, and since that's a little bit difficult to understand since we cannot hear it clearly, we can convert what she said into the subtitles that will be appear on our video. So the things you have to do is just go click the text here, and after that you just need to go click add auto captions. And now you just need to go click a from video since the caption is coming from video. You can also choosing the templates that you want to add to. For example, let's do it this. Okay, and after that don't forget to click which sources that you want to extract or convert the captions from. And after that you done everything, just need to go click start. Now we just need to wait until the creating auto caption is 100% applied into our video, and there will be finish. Okay, so now let's have a check. In school, I was training several organizations, one of them called Himologista, which organization that... So that's all the way how to create the subtitles on Capcut application. If you find out today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.